No, fam. No tablet. Go back and take a seat. Yo, what's happening, YouTube? This is your boy DTalksErrthang back with another video. Yeah. Yo, so this is real life training. I got a son who has autism. So he broke his mother's tablet this morning. He dropped it down the stairs. So no tablet for him. So now he upset because I did the next best thing I could do besides whooping him. Make him sit on the sofa. Because he liked to walk around all day. But so this is what it looks like, the live trade. Because some of y'all, not most of us got families. We got stuff going on. And we got these distractions. You hear the distraction. I also got like my own yo, man, be quiet. No, fam. Hey, man, you can go to sleep. You don't like that one, okay. But anyway, man, we all got families. Stuff going on. People got ADHD, yada. So, hey, man. But we about to get to this. I'll share my screen with you guys. Share. That's not in there. Okay, we just got the entire screen. Dude, take a seat. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at Spy Star now. Oh, man. There it is. Alright. So I can't see what I'm looking like. But first, we're gonna do some charting. And then we're gonna take a look and see what it do. Doing crazy. Anyway, all right. So, hold on. So I'm gonna turn all my stuff off. We're gonna turn that stuff off just for a moment. So when you come in the morning, first kind of things you want to look for. So hold on. If you're new to trading, I'm sorry, because you may not have that. So when you come into trading, these black squares is the actual opening of the market. 9:30 to 4 p.m. Eastern time. This is from 4:01, this blue, to like 8 o'clock. And then the market technically will kind of reopen that says 4 a.m. And then the market again opens up at 9:30. So this is called aftermarket. This is pre-market. So things you should look for every day. Were there any gaps? And the gap is where there's no candlesticks. So we've identified there's a gap. So 90% of the time, gaps like to be filled. All right. So we're looking at this. So that lets me know, hey, there's a possibility that we can move up here back to this 626. Right. Now, things that we want to then take a look at is, hey, where is our current high at? Where is our current high at? Where we need to get past to know that we're moving up. So we got this candle right here. It opened here and it wicked up here to this, what this went to 624.7. So this candle right here, this red one. Dude, stop crying. Just stop crying. You faking. Like you fake it. No, no, take a seat. You want to sit right there? Then sit right there. Still no tablets. All right, but this candlestick right here went to 623.50, and this one went to 623.51. So now we're looking right here to say, hey, we're looking to try to play this up to at least right here, the 624.70. So that'll give us $1.20 in movement. And then if it gets here and clears, we can look to play that from 624.70 to 626. So now we're looking at right now a $3 move possibly. All right. So now things that we want to take a look at. We want to take a look at this is called our MACD. This is our RSI. Right. Now, MACD kind of just lets you know, like the green, of course, is buying, red is selling. The lighter red means less selling, meaning buyers are starting to step in. This light green, as you see, is going down, meaning less people are buying. So now, RSI, this line and this line, it likes to play in between these two lines. It likes to play in between these two lines on all stocks. Now, it does sometimes go underneath or above this because it goes all the way to 100% to zero. So now you can use this if you see this is too high up here. That's a sign to say, hey, wait a minute, let me pause. God damn you, madam. My apologies. Anyway, that can be a sign to say, hey, this is getting ready. It's not going to move yet because this needs to cool off. So, but again, not to say, because here you see over here, it broke the line back here. It did it over here. So it does that periodically. So it's not like it's impossible, but that's just a sign to say, hold on, wait a minute. Now, because we're day trading means we got seconds. We got seconds. We don't got minutes. Sometimes we got minutes, but a lot of times we got seconds. So that means now we need to be 5 and below. All right, on our time chart. So now we're gonna take a look. Yeah, we're looking at SPY. I said the 653.51, and it's taking off without me. So we're taking a look at SPY. We're going to be looking at a call. We're going to look at the 623 call. Now, let me turn this on. And let me turn this on. So this helps me identify my support and resistance. So there could be a pullback to this yellow, the 623.30. So give me a little bit of a better entry. See, because it didn't go. It was a fake breakout. I'd have got cooked up. I'd be getting cooked up. That 623 contract was just 143. Now it's at 138. It was just clicking at 133 a second ago. So, again, we're looking for this candle. We need it to close solidly. This way. Above this. This one there, I needed this next one as a confirmation. Now, we could do a little bit of gambling because it's back up to the price. I don't want to gamble though. Now, when we're trading too, we're going to go ahead and take it. It's 146 right now, 148. I'm trying to get it at 146. Damn, it's moving on me. 150. We're going to try 147. See if it let me in. I apologize. Y'all see, I ain't no big time streamer. I'm working on a 13-inch laptop, fam. Is this going to let me in? I don't even know if it's going to let your boy in. we about to let your boy in. So we think I want to change up what we're doing. I think I'm gonna take the 625 call instead. It's 52 or 53, and I'm gonna look to take 3 of those instead. Okay, I'm in that. Not the damn 147 field, and I even took this one. All right. So now, next thing we need to do. Hey, let's go manage our position, right? Now, first thing we need to make sure we do always is make sure we have our stop loss set. If we don't want to lose, right? There's a possibility we could lose, right? But key to this is minimize your losses, right? So these 3 I got at 53. It's currently at 52. Down $3. The one I got for 147 is at 150. So I'm up 3 on that one. Okay, let's these 53s. Let's put our stop loss at 40. That's 13 times 3 is 39. So we're looking at possible $39 loss at the most. Now, if this thing go right our direction, we're looking to take this 53 to maybe like 153. So man, we might have got in too early. Ain't no might have, we got in too early. Because I told y'all, hey, we should be waiting for this piece to pull back some. But let's go to a higher time frame. So you see this 15-minute has room to push up. How about the 5? 5 got a little room to push up. Take a look at the 10. 10 got room to push up. Let's take a look at the 4 hours. 4 hour got some room to push up. So we're looking at this. Now we're just gonna have to do a little ride on this side. Let's see where we back at. That's 147. Do we want to do the same thing? 13. This one we'll do a $25 stop loss on this one, just to make sure they don't wick us out. Some craziness. So, looking at this on the 5-minute, seeing that we still got some room to push up. My green line sitting at the 624.40. That's almost where this is at, right? So, which is also where some liquidity level is. Once they recently made a purchase. So, I think there's a good chance we're coming here. Now, the question turns in how long it take us to get there. That turns into the question. Hopefully, it gets there in a quick, fast, and a hurry. Because if it does, we about to get paid. If it take all day, we might have to just cut our losses and just have a small win. I didn't set this one. So, take profit, stop loss. We got in at 147. Now that one paying out. This 623, this thing moved to 625, 626. This thing gonna be $300. So that'll be nice. So it's right now 159, 160. So we got what, $13 on that one. We're gonna put our stop loss in profit. Nah, we're not gonna put it in profit yet. We said we're willing to lose 25. So what that is, 122 from 147 minus 25. That's 122. Just in case. Now, reason I'm not setting my stop loss and profit, because right now it's 147, it's at 163. Like, if I'm gonna set my stop loss, I might as well just take the profit. Because what I'm gonna do is set my stop loss at 150. Like that wouldn't make any sense, right? I only made $3, so I'm just saying. So if I'm see the right number, take the profit, or I'm gonna, still give myself some room. Now this thing hit $2. When it hit $2, I'm definitely setting my stop off of profit, probably like 180. No, put that down, fam. No more tablet. No tablet. No, you dropped it. You did it. You did it. I didn't do it. What you want me to do about it? You dropped it. I know. But you go back and take a seat, though. Okay, let me set that. I'm going to order up here a little bit higher. Let me go. Let's go 283. So I'm up 15. I'm up 16 on the 623 call. I'm up $10, $11 on the 625, but that's 3 contracts, so that's what, $3 a piece. Yeah, I'm up $3 a piece. Just jumped to 16. That's how we gonna get it on the slow and easy. Really? Would you like something to eat, though? Listen, I don't know how to save the monsters. I ain't figured that out, son. I'm sorry. I know, but I ain't figured it out. I don't know what you want me to do. I'm sorry I caught your Pokemon that you had in the backyard. Yeah, if anybody know how to release Pokemon from that game. So let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna say it's odd. It may not be odd. So yeah, so we got autism. He used to go in the backyard and go to a particular spot and go to the gate and be like playing with something. It was nothing there. It's just grass in the edge of the gate. And he'd go over there and play. So, and when did the Pokemon game come out? That was a while ago. But anyway, he's out there. The game had been out about 6 months to a year. I decided to download the game. He's the way he playing it. And I'm like, that's kind of strange. Kind of strange, right? I catch the Pokemon because that's part of the game, right? You catch the Pokemon. I catch the Pokemon. Since then, he's been calling us monsters. Since I done caught this Pokemon. Somebody, please tell me how to release this Pokemon so I can go back in the backyard. Please and thank you. Anyone who knows. Hold on, let me, okay, we had 130. Okay, so we're starting to push. 623 is now at 172, so that's $25. Then the 625 call, we're up 25 on that one. And that one now at 61. Again, we got in at 53, at 61. I don't know what this dude in my garage doing. Oh, he got his monster truck. Monster trucks. This get dangerous. All right, so while we're doing that, we're gonna take a look at Tesla starting to mover. Let's see. Is there anything we can do with some Tesla? The 320 call is currently $31.30. I'm gonna take one at 31. Right there, that's the 5. Let's go to the 15. If we break out of here, I was just telling people they don't like to buy in this area for some reason. From here to here. So I think we're gonna get a quick push to about here. We get that. This thing will go from 30 to 70 in a flash. That'd be nice. These spies that I'm in, rather considering taking this profit and just walking away. Hold on, man. We said we're gonna talk a little crypto as well in my thing. So let's take a look at some XRP as we're let's use Binance. All right, so let's go to the 1 day, and let me tell y'all what I had charted. Not you can see what I charted, but whoa, it broke through. So hold on, I had a text someone. I was like, hey, let me go to my messages. I was like, hey, set your XRP limit order. So I'm gonna tell you, I'm sure y'all the same thing. Even though XRP way up at 281 now, I'm still saying to y'all, listen, limit orders for possible pullbacks. I'm telling you, 231, 232. So that's where back here. Oh, that's back here. Then you do 221. That's up in here. So from here to here, it's a good buy zone. 208 is back here. Great buy zone. And this 198 is this. Right here. Another good buy zone. Now, and then I just said, hey, because I sent this out at 11:31 yesterday. I'm like, hey, price was down here. I'm like, hey, price could be moving to 262. If it cross and hold, could be moving to 283 to $3. Said that at 11:30 yesterday. 280, 279. The greatest chart of all time is back at it. All right, so now key thing with trading options, right? Let me go back over here. Yeah, I should have took profit. Over here looking at this, these 2 minutes, this little pullback. Now, this thing could pull back to right here. And if it does, it might hit my stop loss. So I hope it does not, because if it do, it's going to hit my stop head. And I did not update my stoppie to put me in profit. So I think I need to go ahead and update those and put me in profit. Let me see. Oh, my bad. Again, got ADHD. You sidetrack, something pop on your phone. Like, oh, let me start reading this shit. What's happening, fam? What you need? You hungry? Yes? No? Maybe so? No? Come here. No? Come back. Tell me what do you want? You just can't have the tablet. What do you want? Okay. Uh-oh, we about to move. Like we about to move. Uh-oh. Hey, dude, you supposed to be on the sofa.
What is your problem? I can hear you from way down here. I mean, up there. Anything to eat?
Nope.
What you waiting on?
I asked him what did he want to eat. He didn't. But I shall fix him something to eat. Be back. Use. Oh, let's manage our possession real quick. I'll be right back.
And we was talking about, what to do with the, whatever entertainment. When are you gonna pay this?